Hey guys and girls, welcome to lesson number 16 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series, which is presented to you by ifexner.com. In these lessons, we are learning to speak in Hindi and Urdu through English. In lesson number 16, we will be learning to speak about vegetables in Hindi and Urdu through English. Vegetables are called sabziyan. Sabziyan. Sabziyan in Hindi and Urdu. So let's begin our lesson number 16. Vegetables, sabziyan. Sabziyan. Potato, aloo. 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 Potato is aloo. Peas, matar. 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 Peas is matar. Carrot, gajar. 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 Carrot is called gajar. Gajar. Mint, podina. 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 Mint is podina. Green chili, hari mirch. Hari mirch. Hari mirch. Hari mirch. Green chili is hari mirch. Bell pepper, Shimla mirch. Shimla mirch. Shimla mirch. Shimla mirch. Bell pepper is Shimla mirch. Ginger, Adrak. 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 Ginger is adrak. Garlic, lehsun. 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 It's not lesson, it's lehsun. Lesson. Lehsun. Garlic is lehsun. Lemon, limu. 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 Lemon is limu. Okra, bhindi. 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 Okra is bhindi. Cucumber, kheera. 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 Cucumber is kheera. Tomato, tomato. 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 Tomato or tomato is tomato. Onion, piyaz. 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 Onion is piyaz. Garlic, lehsun. lesson, lesson. And ginger is adrak, adrak, adrak. So guys and girls, now let's begin our practice session. I will speak in English and I will call some vegetables names and I would expect you to translate them into Hindi and Urdu. Vegetables. Yes, sabziyan. Vegetables, sabziyan. Potato. Yes, aloo. Potato, aloo. Peas. Matar. Peas, matar. Carrot. It's gajar. Yes, gajar. Mint. Very good. Podina. It's not podina, it's podina. Mint, podina. Green chili. Hari mirch. Yes. Hari mirch. Green chili, hari mirch. Bell pepper. Very good. Shimla mirch. Ginger. Adrak. Ginger, adrak. Garlic. Lehsun. Garlic is lehsun. Lemon. Yes, limu. Very good. Lemon is limu. Okra. Bhindi. Okra is bhindi. Cucumber. Yes, kheera. Very good. Cucumber is kheera. Tomato. Yeah, tomato. Tomato. Very good. Tomato is tomato. Onion. Yes, piyaz. Very good. Onion is piyaz. And garlic is lehsun and ginger is adrak. So guys and girls, thank you very much for joining us for lesson number 16 of Learn Hindi and Urdu through English lesson series. If you would like to read more about this lesson and do some more exercises, then please visit ifactner.com. Guys and girls, please subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care. Bye.